Hi, I'm going to show you how to put together a really simple little design board using a blank PowerPoint presentation. I start by going to a website where I've been shopping for an item. I copy it, I go back into PowerPoint, and I paste it. And I do that over and over again. When I get here, I choose to crop it so it's cleaner and tighter. Then I choose to usually shrink the item just by grabbing and dragging the corner, and then by grabbing and dragging the whole thing I bring it to another location, and I do that over and over again. So I go to various websites, back to PowerPoint, copy and paste, and repeat. There are several types of software that people like for this type of thing. You don't have to use PowerPoint. You could use Google Slides or something like that if you're more familiar with something. Click outside, go back, I shrink it, and then I drag it, and you can play around with this after also. Then I'm doing this great rug from Etsy that I found, copy, back to PowerPoint, paste, and this does not have to be perfect. This is just for your own use, so that you can see what all the pieces look like that you've been shopping for. See them together before you make any final decisions, and you might change your mind once you see them all together, or you might love it. Oftentimes designers go back and forth. One great thing to do is to make one of these and then make a copy of it, and then you can take out and reselect different kinds of things till you get to your final version. I kind of think of it as like rough drafts, and then you keep fine-tuning it and get to your final version. Like, for example, we might not love the way that this coffee table and the color of this sofa look with each other, and so we might decide to reselect. So again, you can just keep moving, dragging till you get all the pieces. Let's do a table lamp, and you can add all kinds of accessories, art, pillows. All those little items will help you see how everything's coming together, and that's pretty much it. Hope that helps.